Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the loud buzzer for sounds on your phone. Samsung Galaxy A5 2017. The first thing we do is make sure the phone is turned off. So if your phone is on, you need to turn it off using the power button and then select the option that appears in the menu. Without doing this, we don't clean the phone at all because we could damage it. Next, we need a brush with flexible bristles so that the bristles are flexible but also not too hard. In other words, they should be soft or medium soft. We need isopropyl alcohol, laboratory grade, which will help loosen the dirt and then completely evaporate, leaving no trace behind. You can buy such a diffuser and brush as a set. Allegro, Amazon. If not, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft or medium bristles because otherwise you might scratch your phone. Once the phone is turned off, we soak the toothbrush in alcohol thoroughly. We set the phone aside here. Here we have the openings for the buzzer, the speaker and the sound, and we clean each of these holes with a single directional motion. We need to clean each hole 5 to 10 times in one direction. Then we change the direction to the other way, so it's just as clean. Once these ports are thoroughly cleaned and cleared, which specifically refers to the openings for both the speaker and the buzzer, we clean them in both directions 5 to 10 times, just like I mentioned earlier, and then we can also go upwards. Clean each of these holes and then once more downwards the same way, so that they're perfectly cleaned. Then the buzzer will work like new. And you'll have peace of mind for a longer time if you clean it thoroughly the first time. But if you don't clean it properly, the problem will come back again soon. And you'll have the same issues as before, so it's better to do it right once and have peace of mind. Again, for a couple of years. After the operation, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is so the alcohol and the panel cleaner smell can completely evaporate from the phone, and only then can you use the phone normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.